I'm Kevin.
And I'm his brother, Andrew.
It's built for the weekend.
These are old water skis. Our friend Jeff took us out water skiing on his boat, but it didn't go so well. You've got quite a nice boat, Jeff, but I think you might need an upgrade on your water skis. They're missing fins. They've seen their day, so I've got a better idea for them. How many beer do you figure we can fit on a ski? So Junior and I were talking about this idea where you'll have two swinging beer delivery systems. The beer ski. The beer ski. The Brewski? The Brewski. You got one. So now we're making the Brewski. Using a hole saw, we're gonna cut out 10 identical circles on each ski. Pretty good. Just trying to get all the cups lined up so they're not all wobbly. You get something that can rock that way, you want everything dead in line, or it might kind of tilt the equilibrium. You want like a clean delivery on this. So we just snap the line and then just drilling them as we go. So we're just trying to take a rope and make handles. We've got some old boat rope, tie a knot, pour some beers. Something about hearing those cans pop, it's making me a bit thirsty. Hey, you're spilling them. It's all about the smooth action. I think if you get a lot of people at a party and you need to serve a lot of drinks, what a way to deliver beer. It's almost like that pirate ship at the fair. We're hoping to put a little bit of pizzazz into this one. I think the Brewski was a success, except when you spilled all the beer all over yourself. The whip around's a little, takes some getting used to.